Watch me eat lobster.
Okay, I guess I'll start with this. Okay, well that didn't work out so well. Mix this butter. I have a spoon, but I'm not gonna use it. Does anyone else eat this? The little fins. Not a good example. Oh my god. I love seafood, so I'm not wasting anything. Guess you're just gonna watch me eat this tail. I like to rip it in half. I'm gonna dip with my crack sauce. With spice. Okay, more butter. That little poop, I guess. Favorite part. Like, watch this. All the eggs and the green. So good.